Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae. In today's video I'm going to be showing you this quick and simple ponytail hairstyle. So jumping straight into this video, my hair was already like in some kind of slick back hairstyle at this point, so I'm just trying to do another hairstyle. What I did first was part out any hairs that I was going to leave out to use as baby hairs and sideburns. Then I decided to go in with my Eco Styling Gel because I believe I already had this product in my hair. So I'm just spreading that all over. Then I'm just going to comb it through to make sure that it is nice and smooth. And once I've done that, I'm just going to create my ponytail. So it was kind of like a high mid ponytail that I was trying to do. So I just attached my hair tie. You don't have to use gel, guys. You can use got2b free spray. You can use edge control, ebony adhesive. There's many products that you can use, especially if your hair is natural and the gel will revert it. So just keep that in mind. You do not have to use gel. Next, I decided to go in with my Easy Edges edge control and use that to do my edges. So I just made some swoops with my hair and combed the end of it back. I don't really have baby hairs, guys, so I literally have to create this. This is a preference thing. You do not have to do this. You can just slick your hair back however you'd like, but I like doing this, so yeah. Once that's done, I'm going in with my Red by Kiss Wrap It Up strips, and I'm just going to tie down my hair with that while I do my ponytail. So I am using the Expressions braiding hair. This is pre-stretched braiding hair, guys. So I'm going to just attach the braiding hair to my ponytail. I didn't use a whole bundle. I took some out. And as you can see, I am just laying the braiding hair, one side of it, on my ponytail, using the elastic band to attach it. You just want to make sure it is secured. And once I've attached it with the elastic band, the part that is laying in my face, I am going to bring backwards to the ponytail so that it is all one. I feel like this is the easiest way to attach braiding hair to your hair, but if not, leave it in the comments. Let me know what you think. So next, I'm just taking a piece of the braiding hair and I'm going to use this as my wrap to wrap around the ponytail. So you want to make sure that it's nice and tight so you're keeping a good grip on it. I like using my fingers to actually comb through it to make sure that it is nice and smooth as well. It looks way better that way. And then you can go ahead and spray free spray on this wrap. You can use the gel on it. You can use got2b glue on it just to keep it in place because you do not want the wrap to unravel. So I just like to stick the end right in to the ponytail, get as all of it. So yeah, I'm just applying the gel on it. You can go ahead, use a blow dryer to dry it, but you did not see me do it in the video. So this is how the ponytail looks. If you want a shorter ponytail, you can just use shorter braiding hair. So what I'm doing is separating the hair in two because we are doing a twist today. So I used some of the edge control and I rubbed it in the hair. That way my hair sticks to the braiding hair a bit more. It just gives it a better grip, I feel. So once I've done that, I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. So I like to just twirl the hair around my finger and twist, and once I reach back, I'm gonna twirl it again, and that is basically it. It was super easy, guys. Super easy 2-strand twist with braiding hair. And you do want to just make sure that you're trying to cover as much of your hair as possible. I did want it a bit longer, so I went ahead and unraveled a bit because I didn't want it too long. So I just added in a piece of hair because I felt like the ponytail was getting too thin too quickly. So I added a small piece of hair, trying to use the braiding hair to cover my own hair. That way it lasts longer and it's not really sticking out of the twist. And once I reach to the very bottom, guys, I'm going to make a braid at the end so that the twist stays in place. So I make a super tight braid at the very end of the hair. You can use an elastic band if you'd like to hold it in place as well. So as you can see, I'm just taking a piece from one of the ends, and there is my 3 strands, and I'm just creating a braid so that way my twist stays in place. So this is how it's looking. I did go ahead and just remove the wrap it up strip that I put on. So next I decided to curl my sideburns. So I'm using my mini flat iron. This is a Babyliss Pro flat iron, and it's a mini. So this just allows me to create a little swoop on the sides better than it being straight. So once I've done that, I'm just going back in with my edge control, and I'm just dabbing it right at the top. Then using my comb to just create that swoop that I like. So once that's done, I'm going in with my BioSilk Shine On Spray. I love spraying this after I finish any hairstyle, and that is it. So this is how it is looking. Let me know what you guys think about it. I thought it was super cute, super simple. Yeah. So if you guys have made it this far, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I am dropping videos every Thursday, so stay tuned for that. Comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle, and if there's any other hairstyles you guys would like to see me achieve, or any videos you would like to see me make. But yeah, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.